everyone, hope you're all well. Here is probably one of my most anticipated videos ever, and that is my flat or apartment tour. I am coming on to intro this a few weeks after actually I filmed the video because I felt like I wanted it to be snappy, but I still feel like I have some things to say. I've finally got to this point after nearly 2 years of living in this place because I just kind of understand now that it's never going to be 100% finished. I'm still going to be adding things, but it's home now. I don't really see my parents' home as my home anymore, and I've really tried to make this place my little haven. Just to give you guys a preface, this is a new build flat. It had no character whatsoever, so I've tried to inject as many things into it as I could. So like I wanted to have like a wood effect flooring, my light fixtures, things like that. And I don't know, I'm really excited to see what you guys think. So definitely let me know what you think down below. Let me know what your favorite room of the house is. And here is my flat tour. Hi guys, welcome to my MTV Cribs flat tour. Come on in. So when you come up the front door, this is my hallway, and probably many a postman when I opened the door have been like, wow, there's a butt in my face, but I wanted a little bit of like a sexier kind of wall, and all of my prints in the whole flat are from Desenio. I actually worked with them, you guys can check that video out, but this was like a preset kind of like print layout that they had, and I literally just copied. My rug is from H&M Home, and then you come onto the hallway. This is a bathroom. And you guys have seen this. This is just like an airing cupboard mishmash thing. This is the room no one needs to know about. This is my little like trinket table, and I loved this mirror, but I kind of never hung it up, and I kind of like the way it looks here. It's from Zara Home, and I always have a pair of sunglasses and my keys just hanging up there, and a little bee for Barbara. We went to Sicily. I got that from like a little ceramic store, and I absolutely love it. The only bit of DIY in my house is the knobs. I always change the knobs on everything. So now we come on to my bedroom, and I'm really excited to show you guys this because I think it's one of my favorite rooms. I'm probably going to say that about every single room. So come on. I'm lucky enough to have a big, I think it's called a Juliet, like little balcony set of doors, and I also have a balcony coming off my bedroom, which just makes it super duper light and bright. Funnily enough, most of the furniture in here is actually Ikea, would you believe? And then the vanity and the chest of drawers is from Homesense, and the same thing, I just changed the knobs on that one to match the bedside tables. Another one of my favorite things is this beautiful light. It's actually a John Lewis piece, and I got it on sale. The little bits come off, but no one actually hits their head on it, so I don't know how it's happening. But it was one of my, again, favorite pieces, and another thing that I bought quite quickly when I got the flat. And another thing you'll probably see in here is a lot of mirrors. So if you guys want to play a game and count how many mirrors there are in my house, you can feel free. And I just feel like mirrors just really brighten up a space and give an illusion of more light. So this is my vanity. My little poof is Homesense again, and this is where I sit and do my makeup. I like to have my things out because I'm one of those people, otherwise I just don't use them. And just to show you guys a few of my new favorite products, can we just talk about this? It's from ABH. It's their So Hollywood highlighter, but in the loose version. And my new favorite foundation at the moment, which I'm only about 8 years late to the party, is NARS Sheer Glow. I just need to get pumped for it. So yeah, this is probably one of my favorite places in the flat, and I knew that I wanted a really lovely vanity where I can do my makeup and get ready in the morning. As I said, I have a balcony coming off my bedroom, and it's so nice in the summer to just pick up your drink and go and sit out there for a little bit. But I'm going to be really annoying, and I'm not actually going to show it to you guys just for privacy reasons because I do live on a road. But I have a gorgeous table and chairs out there, and it's just become one of my favorite pieces of the flat, and I always like to have this little curtain open, but I'm really sorry guys. Another little corner though, look at this. I've always wanted like a round mirror, and again the little table thing is from Homesense, and I've just got like my elephant candle. That was one of the first things, again I'm going to keep saying that, but it really was one of the first things that I bought, and I probably will never light. Does anyone else have candles that they're never going to touch? Because I probably have about 10 in my house. I know for anyone looking at this, they're like light and perfumes equals no, but similar thing, if I don't know they're there, I'm not going to use them. And same thing with my jewelry collection. I know it's crazy, but I just like to, when I'm getting ready in the morning, just have them all here and just like pick. And I know exactly what I want to wear. One of my absolute new favorite things that I got is actually from Budapest, and I bought this from an antique shop, and look. it actually works. I'm actually lucky enough to have a ensuite coming off my bedroom, but fun fact, I'm actually not one of those people that gets up in the night to pee, so it is a bonus for me, but come on, I'll show you guys. I do have to keep the fan on and the light because there's not actually a window in here. A really good size. A lot of new builds nowadays you'll find have ensuites. And if anyone remembers my video where I first saw the flat, you'll remember that I fell in love with this mirror and I like barely use it now. So what number are we on mirror count? You guys let me know down below. Most of my little trinkets are H&M Home. These were from End of Other Stories. My candles H&M Home. And I just have a huge shower, which hardly ever gets used, but it's here. I mainly give it to guests, to be honest, when they come round. So coming off the hallway, this is the second bedroom, but I've dubbed it my filming room slash dressing room slash mishmash room. So come on in, guys. Another room that I absolutely love. I was lucky enough in the development to have the flat with most of the windows, and you can probably tell why I chose this as my filming room because of the light. Now, I know I'm crazy. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 cupboards, and these are from Ikea. If you're a girl like me and you just needed a storage, because a lot of new builds don't have a lot of storage, this is great. It houses my clothes, my makeup, extra duvets, etc., towels, things like that. So if you want to see what's inside my wardrobe, I have a dedicated video. I wanted this room to be really bright and girly and fun and pink, and I hope that I achieved that. So this is my desk area. The desk was something that I splurged on, and it's from West Elm. Again, I got it on sale. And the chair is so much fun. It's actually from Ikea, and I really scored because I love the pink and the mint element in this room. These knobs have a funny story because I actually travelled all the way to central London for them, like on a random day when I saw them in a shopping centre near me, and I had to have them, had to have them. I absolutely love them, and I think they really add a little touch to the otherwise very boring wardrobes. Another thing that I feel like just makes this room is this light fixture that I got from Homesense. When I saw it, my mum was just like, you need this. It was £30. Anthropologie does something so similar for literally like 10 times, sorry guys about the road noise, 10 times the price, and I just feel like it really makes the room. I feel like a little angel when I stand underneath it, and yeah, it's my princess light, I'll admit. And this is just a rail that I got from Ikea. Ikea do the best. I think this was like £10 for this rail, when sometimes you can find them for like £200. And I just keep some of my favourite things that I want to wear, like new in things from my hauls, and it's another fun thing that I added for my filming haul segment. So you've probably seen this in some of my videos. This is the famous pink chaise lounge that I got from Homesense. When I actually bought it, the girls at Homesense were like, you're the pink couch girl, because I had to like wait to pick it up. And unfortunately it doesn't get used that much, but I still absolutely love it, and I hope that when I move I can take this with me. The little table is Zara Home. I just wanted a little table for when I'm filming, just to have my props on, and I can't get over how cute these little flowers are. They're from H&M Home. Westfield has like a flower section, and they always have like the cutest little flowers. I really used to use this corner for filming, but now I'm really enjoying filming around other places in the flat. Coming off the hallway this way, you see 2 doors, and we'll go in the first one that's open. And if anyone's going to ask me that, have you ever banged your head on this wall shelf? Yes, and I was sober. So I got this from H&M Home. I absolutely love it. They also had it in their showroom when I went and visited, and I just have a few little trinkets and things, and I just thought it was like a little bit of texture to a boring hallway. I don't know. So come on guys, this is my bathroom. And I got to choose like the tiles and things like that in the bathroom, and I just wanted a very neutral space, but I kind of tried to jazz it up with like a mustard and a blue element to it. And one thing that I really wanted moving out of my parents' house was a bath, because fun fact, my parents only have showers, and I love having a bath every now and again, not that often. And this was another addition that I felt crucial in a bathroom for a girl like me. And if you're one of those people that is very nosy, and when they go around to people's houses you look in their bathroom cabinets, you can have a sneak peek of mine. I'm going to be very nice, and I have a lot of product, a lot of stuff, but I love the fact that this kind of almost looks like it's not there. And it was an Ikea cabinet, but I just didn't add the handle to it. Just wanted it to be a little bit more blending in. My towels are Zara Home. I loved the mustard colour and the pom-poms. And my bathroom trinkets, these are actually Marks and Spencer, and I really liked the blue and the mustard and this as well, but those are Zara Home. So it's just nice to have like a mixture of things, and what can I say, it's a bathroom. Now guys, come into my kitchen, living room, dining room, extravaganza, whatever you want to call it. Again, super echoey, even though I've got so many things in here. Come on. This is probably my favourite room now in the flat. I just can't choose. This is my living space. The thing I loved about this flat, when I even saw it on the plan, because I never actually saw it when it was made, I waited for it to be built, was the fact that there's very good sections. So like this is the living room, then you'll see I have a dining room, and then I have a kitchen. And what I loved when I saw the space and the plan was I knew I wanted an L-shaped velvet sofa. The colour I wasn't sure about, but I went for this absolutely gorgeous green, and this sofa is actually from Habitat. It is probably one of my favourite things in the flat, and you can probably see why. A velvet sofa, I will just tell you guys, is a high maintenance item. You have to pat it, you have to dust it, and it does kind of discolour because of the light, but I don't really mind. I love it, and it was definitely one of the biggest purchases for the flat. The pillows are all H&M Home. My little coffee table is Ikea, funnily enough, and the crazy trinkets on it are a various array of different things. This is H&M Home. My gorgeous little Monstera print leaf coasters from Zara, and this was like one of my favourite purchases. It's from H&M Home, Zara Home, H&M Home, everything home basically. You'll probably see a lot of poofs in my house, and it's just because I like the texture and the height difference that they give to a space. This is my baby. This is my Monstera plant, who is doing so well. It's from Ikea, and the stand is H&M Home. So yeah, I absolutely love this space. I definitely knew I wanted rugs. Guys, I'm Persian, I'm gonna have rugs. And that one is Urban Outfitters. This space for me was a very, I don't know what to do with you space, but I knew I wanted a bar cart. I'm not really a big drinker, but for people when they come round and they want to drink, this is my bar cart. Like I said, I couldn't even tell you what most of those things are. And then I knew I wanted something for this, but I didn't want a painting, so we went for this neon light, which is, again, one of my favourite things in the space, along with, what mirror number are we at? This mirror. Everyone asks me in my videos about this mirror, and I got it from eBay, and I got it again on a sale day type thing. And my chair is from Ikea. Again, I kind of wanted like a very sociable space. I wanted height dimensions and different textures, so I like the fact that this is like a faux leather chair, and I really like the fact that it kind of looks like a little reading nook, which I've never read in, but it's cute anyway. I'm not a big TV person, but I wanted a TV in my house, and I wanted something that kind of blended in a little bit. So this is a Samsung TV that, again, was one of the first things that I ever bought from John Lewis, and I've kind of tried to make it almost like a frame of the house as opposed to like the main thing. And I love the fact that I've got loads of trinkets on here. I've been really into frames. These are all from Zara Home, and they have pictures of my grandma and my granddad on them, and I just kind of like the height differences. Do you guys know what I mean? And don't ask me what they are, but I have those little branch things from H&M Home, again, in their flower section. I've had them for like a month, maybe longer, and they just stay like that. They just are basically dry. So anything that is a little bit strange and different, I love. Like, look at this. How cute is that? It just makes me happy. So this is my kitchen, and you can see I've had a little bit of a wardrobe change because, listen, I'm such a great cook. I really struggled with this space. You've probably seen in my home renovation video that I changed a few things around. So I changed my countertop and the tiles. It just makes the space so much brighter, so much more me. The fact that it just kind of works for my lifestyle. It's very easy breezy, and as I said, I like the fact that everything has its own section. And you guys know this was one of my, I don't know what to do with you spaces, but I dressed the table for you guys because you guys are coming for dinner. I got these mirrors here because I didn't want it to be like photo overload, and I love the fact that they're matching. It gives it kind of like a hotel vibe, and this runner is from H&M Home, and it just carries the theme of the pink rug and like the little bit of pink and the mauve. Why don't you guys come and sit down and join me for food? So I really hope you guys enjoyed having a look around my flat. If you guys want a more in-depth look at any of the rooms, definitely let me know down below. I didn't go into detail of where everything is because it would have been such a long video, but definitely keep me updated on what you'd like to see down below, and I can do some dedicated house videos because this has probably been one of the things that I've enjoyed most in the last 2 years, really. It's been decorating. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all soon. So you guys have seen the flat now. I hope you enjoyed it, and I think it's time to leave now, so bye.